Hi there. I want to come in and show homeowners how to use Homebot. I've got a couple people who've asked questions. I want to make sure you understand how to use this tool to your best advantage. And so if you come in, you can actually add your home by clicking the plus sign here and adding your home. I'm going to use this home here. And of course, if you're actually trying to find a market, you can come in here and see what's going on in your market. That may give you a sense for why your value is the way it is. And so this home here, which I got a couple years ago, has a value of $360,000. You can see how the value changes here over time. If that doesn't make sense to you, feel free to reach out to me, call, text, email, and I'll help you understand why this is happening, what's happening that particular month. And of course, if you have substantially renovated or done something to your home, reach out to me for that, and I can actually help tweak the CMAs to be better for you, because this system only understands what the public records is giving it. Public records being public records about your home as well as about sales. And so if the CMA needs understanding, education, reach out to me and I can help you with that. You can also do some of these things here with the system itself. And looking at this home for myself, it says that the net worth of the home at this point is $220 if I paid off the mortgage. And if I want to do something with that money, it tells me what I can do, which I'm not going to worry about right now since I'm not selling. It does at times make me pause when I realize that in the last couple of years, I've paid $24,000 in interest and $10,000 in principal. And if I keep the loan for the 30 years, I'll have paid interest of $115,000. If I was going to refi to potentially get a slightly better rate, actually a slightly worse rate in this case, I would have these advantages, which don't make sense to me, so I'm not going to look into that right now. I do want to come down here because this will make you pause for a moment. This is telling me that if I pay an extra $100 a month to my mortgage for the life of the loan remaining, I will have saved $20,000, which means I will have paid off the home 5 years earlier. The fact is that if I had chosen to start paying more, let's say I paid $250 a month, then that means I would have saved $37,000 and paid off the home 10 years earlier. If I got a tax rebate a couple of days ago and paid some of that money rebate to my property and I want to show that extra loan payment, I should do that here, and it changes the numbers because, again, the quality of the data that they have is the quality of the information that's coming back to me. Things I could do with the money that I saved. I want to go down. There's a real fun tool here. The part of the tool that talks about Airbnb. And if I was going to start renting out part of my home from Airbnb based on my zip code, I could be making some serious money at different times of the year. Just that may be something you don't necessarily think about, but it is worth to consider because, at some point, this could be real money. $125 a night. Nothing to sneeze at if I'm out of town for a couple of weeks. Okay. Lastly, if you're enjoying this and this is just something that you naturally gravitate to, I expect you have friends and family who might feel the same way. If so, share Homebot with them because they'll probably enjoy this too. This works across the U.S., so no need to worry about what market you're in. Lastly, if this doesn't make sense, the numbers don't make sense to you, just call, text, email me. I'll reach out to you and we'll get through your questions. Okay? Thank you much.